Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today I'm going to explore another attar oil from or blend oil from Swiss Arabian that is called Amaali. Amaali is, I think, it would be best for women, as the bottle, I would show the bottle over here somewhere. So the bottle is, I have the sample. Bottle is very lovely kind of or very decent kind of bottle where it has a rose and very delicate. I think it would suit a woman more than a man. So anyhow, so let's try to test this, and I'm going to apply it over here because in the previous video I had used my index finger. So let's use somewhere on the wrist. So let's try to see how these oils are. So this is Amaali from Swiss Arabian. Off the bat, it is very fruity and creamy kind of fruit. Very fruity. It is caramel candy kind of fruity. So it is not fruity like a fruit, but it is more fruity like a candy or a toffee. So nice blend, maybe good for women that are below like 20s, in their teenagers, or more, maybe below 25. Now it is getting some florals that is very kind of sparkling, spicy sparkling. This is what I love. This is a nice start from here. Now the fruitiness is a bit in the background, not totally in the background, but it is in the background, and some spicy floral kind of thing. These kind of attars, I have seen a lot of people wearing these kind of attars, but this is a nice one. It is kind of fruity, caramel candy kind of start, then it evolves into a bit more spicy, kind of sparkling kind of attar, fresh spicy, I would say. That fresh spiciness is really good. It is really, gets inside your breath. This is really nice. Although I hate fruity caramel or candy or toffee kind of attars or perfumes, I really hate them. But this one is nice. In the start it was a bit off, now it is really nice. Yes, there is some woodiness, spiciness, there is some caramel in the start, there is a fruitiness or candy kind of touch in the start that is not overpowering. Now it has been blended really nice. I really love the spicy, sparkling kind of, I would say, the mid over here. The heart of this is, now it is getting more kind of mellow, like fruit, and a bit the spiciness is going down. Light woodiness is there. I really enjoyed the heart and the base of this attar. Really nicely blended Amaali from Swiss Arabian. If you are a woman, I think this is a very nice attar. Very nice blend. Fresh, spicy, woody. Spice is not like tingling in your nose. It is really like something is fresh. Okay, so white and fresh, not like a black pepper. Really nice. I can't, really nicely blended Amaali Attar from Swiss Arabian. So if you are a woman and you are in your teens, or you are like in your 30s, like 20 to 30, above, I think I would not recommend. But I really think that this is a very nice attar for women, and for teenagers this is really nice. If you want to gift someone, I think this is a nice start. Amaali is a nice concentrated perfume oil or attar. I hope you have enjoyed this review of Amaali from me. I would recommend it for women. I think men can also pull this off really nice. Could be unisex, but I would recommend highly it for women. It is very attractive, nice kind of oil. That is all. This is my simplest review about Amaali from Swiss Arabian. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below. I love reading your comments and replying to them. We will meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.